Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here today at my shop this beautiful 2014 Subaru Forester, and this one unfortunately came with this complaint. The owner said that when she wants to use AC it doesn't work. Also, she said she thinks the engine doesn't idle good and maybe even the vehicle is sluggish. So they drop off the car outside of my shop. I went to it, started up, and immediately heard some crazy noise coming from underneath the hood. This noise seemed to be changing. Do you hear that? Before it was even louder. Maybe if I will rev the engine. Oh yeah, do you hear that nightmare? That's intense. This seems to be fairly common problem on this generation of the Subarus. This one has 68,000 miles, but I saw some people reported the same problem as low as 30,000 miles already. And there are also different way how people deal with it. Some people will be playing with the magnetic clutch. They speak about the shims. They say, oh, some VIN numbers were affected by it and it could have been fixed that way. I can see the clutch is working perfectly. Compressor is supposed to be working and cooling off the interior, but it's not working at all. So for me, the dealing with this will be replacing the compressor. These compressors unfortunately are super expensive. I saw one quote from one dealer here in USA for $700. Our local dealer, I don't know what they are doing there, just quoted me for that same item number. I couldn't believe it. $1,200. And of course they didn't have it in the stock, so it doesn't matter. I can do my research, find it elsewhere for this owner, for this customer, order it, and then schedule repair. I hope you find this video helpful, and please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more about Subarus coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.